KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, just a beautiful day today for All Souls Day. Lots of sunshine, and if you're out at the cemetery today, a very peaceful time indeed with cool temperatures across the area. John Lee getting me this shot this afternoon, and it looks like more of the same. A nice cool start to tomorrow. We'll get to that in just a bit, but first off, let's look at the next weather maker. Where is it? Oh, maybe it's in Texas or New Mexico. No, it's up here in Canada, moving into Montana. This thing is going to be diving down the back end of the jet stream that helped produce those severe storms we had late Wednesday night, early Thursday. That's going to be diving southeastward, but we're not going to see the dynamics that we saw Wednesday. Showers, maybe some embedded thunderstorms, but not expecting severe weather with this system. The one that follows, though, might have some severe weather with it, and that's coming Monday night. We'll talk a little bit more about that coming up in just a bit. First off today, though, lots of sunshine during the course of the day. The north winds turning westerly late this afternoon, a little bit more southwesterly as we head into this evening, so maybe not quite as cool tonight, especially coastal parishes, but inland still dropping down into the 40s for lows. That's where we were this morning, 48 the official low in Lafayette, and we officially topped out at 68 degrees, and most of us in the 60s this afternoon or early this evening, and temperatures will drop nicely this evening, so certainly jackets or sweaters if you're heading on out. As we head into the overnight hours, temperatures drop down into the lower 50s by morning. High pressure begins to shuttle off to the east, so we'll see that return flow. Breezy south to southeast winds tomorrow afternoon, with temperatures getting into the lower 70s by lunchtime, mid to upper 70s for a high, and by dinner time tomorrow evening, or grilling time, everybody getting ready for some of the big football games this weekend, it will be nice at 70 degrees. But the clouds coming in, especially southwest Louisiana, and we'll see those clouds increasing tomorrow night with southerly winds. We're not going to be nearly as cool tomorrow night. And then here's that frontal system that we're talking about. Not really much of a cool front. In fact, the cool front part of it runs out of gas, but notice a pretty good line of showers and some embedded thunderstorms. This is 7 o'clock in the morning now. Well, it's subject to change on the timing, but if it all works out well, maybe the storms get east of the region after the midday hours on Sunday, and then we might even see a little sunshine late Sunday afternoon. So we'll have to wait and see on that. We'll go with a 60% chance of showers and storms for Sundays. And then this is the European model, kind of showing the storms maybe lagging a little bit deeper into Sunday afternoon. So that's why we're not quite sure of the timing quite yet. We'll watch the model trends. Going into Monday, here comes another storm system, and this one's going to be a potent one and a severe weather maker mainly north of us. But as we head into Monday night and into Tuesday morning with this system, we could get clipped with some strong storms. So that'll be our next opportunity for severe weather. I wrote about that on the article on KATC.com. Then as we go through the middle part of the week, election day looking okay. Slight rain chances Tuesday, slight rain chances Wednesday, perhaps better rain chances Thursday. And then look at this front that comes on in. Chilly weather could follow. Temperatures Friday afternoon, maybe in the 50s. And look, maybe the readings in the upper 30s for next Saturday morning. But that is a week away and a lot can change. Of course, meteorologist Eric Zernick will have the latest on maybe a significant cool down. That'll be about a week away. Tonight, it's going to be nice and cool. Temperatures in the middle 40s. Northern parishes of Acadiana right near 50, upper 40s to lower 50s on the I-10 corridor. And much the same coastal parishes except Cameron by the water, and with that southwest wind, certainly much milder, holding in the 60s there. Maybe some fog developing there as well. Then tomorrow, mid-70s the high. Lots of sunshine, some clouds late in the afternoon. Tomorrow evening, not as cool. Will favor lows in the lower 60s, and then going into Sunday, still in the 70s in spite of the chance of showers and a few thunderstorms. So a beautiful fall night ahead. Nice and chilly once again, getting down to 54 low. Very light wind, so it won't feel as biting as it did last night. There was a little bite to that coolness last night. Tomorrow, very nice day. Some clouds in the afternoon. 76 the projected high. Look for breezy south to southeast winds tomorrow afternoon. Rain chance on on Sunday, there we have it at 60%, 20% Monday. Right now, we're going 50% for Monday night, Tuesday morning, but over with during the election hour. Slight rain chances maybe on Tuesday, but not a major impediment. But we will have to watch for the potential of severe weather come Monday night, although not like this past Wednesday's severe weather event. And then going into next weekend, well, Marcel, you want to do the look for 38 degrees perhaps next Sunday morning? Maybe even Monday.
Too bad we don't have a tight shot, you know, right now. There it is.
There it is.
That's it.
Not too happy with
I don't mind it. It's November.
Neither do it is.
Good.
I want that in January.
Yeah.
Oh, you'll get that in January.
I'm sure I will.
Sure. We got that stuff for you as well.
All right, we'll be ready.